हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर ब्लॉग। आई होप लोडिंग रियली वेल। तो तुम्हारा भाई वापस करके आ रहा है, जिसका है पता ना तुम्हें किसका। तो भाई मिलने के बहाने हो जाते हैं लड़कों के लिए, और तो क्या। सही में देना है यार, ये देता नहीं है ना, सस्ता होता तो। चलो डबल वेरीफाई कर लेते हैं भाई। ठीक है भाइयों, वो भी आसपास ही है, जुहू के आसपास है भाई। मैं जुहू में रुका हूँ, जिसको नहीं पता अब तक, तो यहीं है वो भी। कह रही आ जा यार, तेरे बिना जी नहीं लगता मेरा। मैं यार अब क्या बताऊँ, तो चीज़ ही ऐसी है भाई। पता बोल दिया ना, मुझे पता है। तो भाई ऑटो करूँगा, वो है सोहो हाउस। सोहो हाउस इज़ अ क्लब इन बॉम्बे, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फैंसी प्लेसेस। येलो लाइट, ये जो यहाँ बल्ब है ना भाई, स्ट्रीट लाइट पे दिल्ली में चुभती है। यहाँ मैटर बढ़िया है, इसलिए यही रीज़न होगा मेरा बॉम्बे शिफ्ट होने का। नौकरी, बॉलीवुड, ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं भाई। येलो लाइट्स, मुंह बढ़िया लगता है, गोरा चीटा, पिंपल नहीं दिखते, समझ रहे हो यार। मुझे एक बात बताओ, जो बॉम्बे से लोकल है यहाँ का, जुहू महंगा है या बांद्रा महंगा है? बता दो मुझे यार। और मुझे ना ये नई सेल्टोस बहुत पसंद आ रही है भाई, मजाक से हट के। एक दो पेमेंट आती बड़ी लूँगा सीधा। तो भाई बताओ ना, महंगा है क्या ये बांद्रा से? क्योंकि यार क्राउड तो काफ़ी सही है यहाँ अभी। अभी मैं वो चल रहा हूँ, ये वो है यार, जुहू तारा रोड। यहाँ पे आगे जाके लेफ्ट अमिताभ बच्चन का घर आ जाता है। नाइस प्लेस यार, बॉम्बे इज़ फन, समझ रहे हो। यहाँ पे तुम 12 बजे भी जाओगे ना, निकलोगे घर से बाहर, लोग बाग तुम्हें घूमते फिरते कूदते फूटते मिलेंगे भाई। घर ओके ओके, देखो तुम्हें कोई घर यहाँ ऐसा, कोई ऐसे जो ड्रॉपिंग घर नहीं दिखेगा तगड़े तगड़े, जैसे गुड़गांव में हर गली में घर है ना, यहाँ नहीं है। बट भाई लोग अच्छे हैं, थोड़ा ट्रैवलिंग सस्ती है, समझ रहे हो, बस ये है। और जगह बनती है भाई लोगों से, समझ रहे हो। घर अगर तुमने 10 करोड़ का भी बना लिया, फ़ायदा क्या है अगर आसपास के लोग ही ख़राब हैं। और भाई पहले लेंगे ग्रेटा के मज़े की तरह। मॉइस्चराइज़र लाया नहीं, मैं भूल गया, शिट। उसका रिएक्शन देखते हैं, उसने हल्की सी चटका रखी है, तो चटकाने के बाद कई बार वो फालतू बोल जाती है। तो चेक करते हैं भाई कि क्या रिएक्शन होगा उसका। चल चल के जा रहा हूँ, 1.5 किलोमीटर जाना है यार, क्या ही ऑटो करूँगा इतने में। ओ जान जाना बॉम्बे भाई, बॉम्बे देख लो, साल में दूसरा अब शिफ्ट हो गया तो तुम्हारा भाई यही घूमता दिखेगा तुम्हें। आज भूतारा रोड हूँ गाइस, आज बैंड रहा हूँ। आज मैंने ये कर लिया, आज मैं शाहरुख खान के मन्नत में। कहाँ जाना है भाई, बॉम्बे आ गया ना तो 6 महीने का टारगेट बना लूँगा सीधा। मन्नत मुश्किल है बट नामुमकिन नहीं। भाई वो पार्टी कर रही है, सैंड एंड सन, वो दिख रहा है लिखा हुआ। बॉम्बे का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव वेडिंग प्लेस है। अगर आपको वेडिंग करनी होती है ना बीच के किनारे, सन एंड सैंड आ गया भाई। रहा इसके अंदर है भाई वो, इसके अंदर है भाई वो।
Welcome to Bombay. Hey.
Hey, how was the party?
How are you? Good.
How was the party?
It's a beach club. It's really nice. It's like new. And
It's like
go inside. It's crazy. It's completely packed. Everybody has fun. It looks like you're in Dubai or
Really?
you're in like Bali or like
seems like you are drunk a little.
little bit. Enough drinks. Don't drink too much, guys.
Crazy outfit.
And thanks. I also have a jacket in case, because I know you're coming.
But I was missing you.
Aw.
When you left Delhi, I was like, I want a cigarette.
Aww. I'm so happy to see you.
Guys, she just told me one time, come to Bombay, we'll have fun. And I'm here.
Thank you so much. Jaldi, jaldi.
But I forgot your moisturizer.
Really?
Yeah, really. I'm sorry.
I forgot my moisturizer. It's 30K.
Oh, it's 55K. I just Googled it.
I don't oversell myself. That's the thing.
But like, what's in that moisturizer? How come it's like so expensive?
I don't know. It's really natural. It's like a luxury brand, and it's the only thing I use. This is why my skin becomes worse now, because I don't have it. Apparently it's 55K. I thought it's 30. And
55,000 rupees guy INR for one motion.
you know how much is inside? How much is it? 500? No, how much less?
But
How much is in this bottle? 50? 50 ml? 100 ml?
you can take out from this.
50 or 100 ml?
Take out from the pocket. Take your moisturizer out from my pocket.
It's in your house.
It's in my pocket.
You bitch. Hey, my
Happy?
moisturizer-
I just came here for
my
this.
my cream. It's 55, and it's not even, like, look,
Guys, see, this moisturizer fucking 55,000 rupees.
50 ml. You got it in your hand luggage.
Yeah.
Did you got it in your hand
Yeah.
luggage? I was like, don't put it in your. If they throw this away, I would have killed you.
Why would they take this?
Because you cannot bring less than 50. Like.
No, you can bring everything. Come. So yeah, guys, she's partying in Bombay.
Try it.
Huh?
Did you try it? I'm sure
No,
you
I
did.
didn't try
You did.
No, I should try it. I never tried it. I should try it.
My friend was trying my moisturizer and she was saying, "Oh my god, this is so bad. This is so bad." I'm like, "What are you saying? It's 55." Like, because it's for my kind of
For
skin.
expensive people, like for fancy people, right?
No, it also depends on your skin type. This one is a rich one, a rich cream. So the thing is, okay, it's expensive,
Yeah.
but this is good. It's a good product. Instead
Okay.
of putting 10 medium
Expensive
good
things.
products,
Yeah.
you buy the same amount, 55,000 you spend on the same
But
product.
I love your outfit. I love your outfit.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks, love. And this way.
And now, she wow. Ta-na-na! Deeparani.
Yeah. So I'm saying you can buy like 10, 20, 30 products,
Yeah.
and at the end you spend the same money.
Okay.
But sometimes it's better to have one good product,
Yeah.
and that's all you need. Like, all I need for glowing skin is one cream.
How was the shoot yesterday?
What do you want to know?
How was it?
Long shoot,
Yeah.
long hours, but good. I loved it. It was a nice crew. People
But
were
guys,
nice.
can you see, like in Delhi, she was kind of lazy, but here she's so energetic because you are a Bombay girl.
I'm a Bombay Bandra girl. I mean, we're in Juhu, but I hope. Are we going to Bombay? Where are we going?
We'll somewhere sit in the Juhu itself. I've never seen Juhu. You must be knowing good places in Juhu,
No,
right?
I don't know anything in Juhu.
Ah,
I only know Bombay, like Bandra. I know Lower Parel, like all these typical Inca, Koishi, Bastion, like all these like fancy
places.
And Jantaba, I also know.
Janta Bar. That's not fancy.
Let's go there.
Janta Bar.
Yes.
You want to drink more?
You want?
No, I don't drink. You no.
We can have a Jantaba port wine.
Why you want to drink so much? Let's
No,
have
no, no.
let's drink chai.
Have you ever been to a Jantaba?
Janta Bar I never been there.
So that's what I'm saying.
It's
the
nice.
perfect time to go now.
Huh?
Huh.
Sunday night.
Any night.
Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go to
You don't have
Janta.
to drink there, but I just want to show you my bar.
Yeah, I won't drink, but let's see her
We have
place.
a Nimbu Pani.
We'll have a nimbu pani. Yay!
Yes, let's go.
Yeah, let's wait for the auto. Like they are come. Stop auto. Like let's see if Deeparani can stop auto in Bombay.
How do you stop it? Like this?
You've never stopped the auto?
No, I don't need to. They stop by themselves, no?
Oh. After seeing her, सुंदर है ना भाई दीपारानी हमारी. भैया बैंड्रा, पाली नाका. चलो.
Look, I show you my favorite spots.
चलो. Dun na na na.
Starts in Bombay and it continues in Bombay.
It won't
never end.
It will never end, right?
Right.
Yeah.
That's why.
If she'll go to Singapore, I'll go to Singapore. If she'll go to Dubai, I'll go to Dubai.
Okay, no Dubai right now, but
If she'll go to Switzerland, I can't go there because it's so expensive.
Dubai, Singapore. So you can stay in my place anywhere,
Huh.
anytime. The most expensive is the rent, right? If you have a friend, that's why you make friends internationally, because you can just nap at their place and then you save half of the money. Like you.
My friends were missing you when you left Delhi. Everyone, Jimmy was like, "Oh, where is she?" Prashant was like, "Where is she?"
Aw, that's so cool. Like, he has really good friends. They really take care. They're like really gentlemen. They make sure you're okay. They were waiting for me.
Yeah.
Anytime I had to, like, I had problems, they were available. Really good people.
So, guys, are you seeing the series of events? I came to Bombay. We became friends. She came to Delhi. Now I'm back to Bombay. Like, I think God wants us to chill together.
You have to follow God, right?
Yeah.
You can't deny. You have to.
But in Bombay, her energy is different, guys. In Delhi, her energy
You
was.
think so? You
I
feel
think
that?
so. You are like kind of happy here.
Kinda.
Kinda.
I'm really happy. It's my place. I wish I would have been born here. I think I was supposed to be born here. That's.
But
Yeah.
Deeparani loved the outfit.
Thank you. It's a
Yeah.
beach club. I had nothing to wear.
So where
That
did you
was
get it
my
from?
emergency outfit. I was closing my eyes and I was just like, I found this randomly in my bag. I don't know, and I was
Glasses.
like, perfect. Yeah.
Glasses also.
Yeah.
Your bag is.
But the glasses and this is the same color. My
And,
shoes.
and your skin color is also pink. Da-na-na.
Na, na, na.
So yeah, guys, Juhu is also nice, but she's a Bandra girl, so we are going to Bandra. Yeah.
Jaldi.
And guys, one more thing. I'm shooting tomorrow for JW, right? The reason behind why I'm shooting JW,
What did they say for your audition?
they were like, you're shortlisted. You are the guy we were looking for. We can see love in your eyes.
Did they say that? Did they say that?
Yeah, really. I'll tell you guys. I was sent, like, JW sent me the audition. They were like, okay, make an audition and send it to us. So Greta was there. She was like, I'll teach you how to send an audition. So look me into the eyes. Look like in love, Utkarsh. So we took around 3-4 takes, right?
No, the first 2 takes were shit because you were really shit in it, and because he was rushing it. It's like some people, you have to learn that there's a like you cannot rush an audition.
Okay, then I'll count till 3 and then we'll start, okay?
In real life, you have to understand that in real life you don't rush as well. So take your time, feel the moment, be in the moment. You have to be in the moment, and that's most important. And you were just like, your mindset was like, I just want to get this audition done.
Yeah, right.
But your mindset has to be, I am in the moment, I'm focusing on what I'm doing right now, and then your performance was so much better. Just chill, don't rush, you know? Also, one thing, people always, in your head, you might feel like you're slow. Like when you speak, you feel like, oh, I should speak faster because I want, like, you know, to get stuff done faster.
Right.
But it doesn't come across like it. For other people, it will be too fast. Like you feel like it's a normal, you know, in your head. But you should always speak half of what you feel like.
So literally, I was talking so fast in the audition, like I was doing fast, let's do it. And she was like, Utkarsh, do you want to get this job or not? JW is a good brand. You should focus. Then she like shouted at me. Then I was like, okay, Deeparani, I'll do whatever you say.
Bilkul.
Yeah.
But so you always have to be half of the speed than what you feel like. Right? In your head, you're too fast. You're even more fast than you feel. So go half of your. Even when you speak as a human, you always feel like maybe, okay, time is money, you should be fast. But like, slow down.
Slow down, guys.
Slow down a little bit. Speak slowly. Yeah. That was already the story.
So yeah, they were like, you are shortlisted. So the credit goes to Deeparani.
Yeah, I should also get the money.
Yeah, I'll give you 20%. To 10%.
No.
You can take entire money. There's in between friendship, money can't come. Great, I'm telling you. You can take
No, take
everything.
Take everything. I don't want you to take anything from me.
Take everything from
No,
me.
I don't want. That was a joke.
We are friends. Nothing
fine.
is mine. Nothing is yours. You
It's
can take
all
my
ours.
shirt. You can take my
It's
shirt. I can
all
take your
ours.
blazer. You can take my glasses. I can take your glasses.
Yeah, we want to exchange glasses.
You wanna change?
Yeah.
No, I won't look. Let's check. You take mine. Give me yours. No, make me wear them. Deeparani Gala. Oh.
Oh, it's so dark here.
Oh.
Gangster.
गैंगस्टर भाई कैसा लग रहा हूँ बढ़िया ना दीपारानी
Yeah.
my glasses suits you
My glasses doesn't suit you.
no
No.
oh so guys
Here, it's so. I just, I missed taking a rickshaw because in Delhi I can't take a rickshaw.
but
It's
it's
not
lit
a thing.
in Delhi you can't even step out in a car so much traffic so much pollution
Cool, but this, I've missed this.
I
This is
also missed this.
paradise.
I was also missing you
Ha, I think you missed me more than
Bombay
yes.
and guys it's been no, just 24 hours I guess 24 hours or like 30 hours Greta is away from Delhi sea तो भाई मेरे को लग रहा है भगवान चाह रहा है मैं इसे कंटेंट लूँ क्योंकि 24 घंटे हुए हैं बस She was in Delhi 24 hours back now I'm in Bombay after 24 hours
Crazy, right?
crazy I think we are kind of soulmates in like friendship different sense
You should. I mean, soulmates are coming in any way. They can be your sister, they can be your boss, they can be your best friend, they can be a random person in the street. Doesn't matter, right?
So yeah, she was dancing at the Sun Beach party. How was it?
That was so much fun. I took some videos. If you want, I can send you. You can put it in.
Yeah.
Like one video so you see the scene. It was amazing. This beach club doesn't look like it is Bombay. It looks like Dubai or Bali. I had a vibe like, wow. Like if you have a chance to go there, I don't get paid for this promotion, but it is amazing. It is so much fun. They had like the trumpet, they have dancers, they have like the people who play like, you know, this,
Yeah. Bajata.
yeah. And it's just so like you feel like you're in Spain, you're in Mexico, you enjoy your life.
जाना पड़ेगा. Why didn't you take me there?
I asked you.
No. You were like, only girls can enter, pretty girls can enter. No good-looking boys.
You can, but it's a minimum of 10,000.
Huh?
Minimum spend is 10,000.
So you spent 10k for this party?
Me no.
No.
No, I get free.
Why can't I get free then? If you can get free, because I'm a guy.
Because
Guys,
you're not me.
perks of being a girl in India. You get free entry everywhere. Free drinks. Boys, like how many guys like were hitting on you, flirting with you? Diva Rani. 5. Let me guess 5.
I don't want to speak about it.
7.
I don't.
8.
Look, as a woman, sometimes you don't even realize people are hitting on you. Like, and it's better. By the way, it's better if I don't feel like you hit on me. Like, you need to find the right moment to hit on someone. Like, in the beginning, don't be too
Pushy.
pushy. Because it's scary. We had this topic. It's scary.
It's scary, guys.
I feel like we had the same, it's just the same situation. Like, same topic, same situation, same people.
Deja vu, deja vu, deja vu, deja vu, guys. But new place. Now we are going to Janta Bar. We have shown.
I've been to Janta.
I've never been to
Oh
Janta
my
Bar.
God, I'm showing him my Bombay. This is my Bombay too after. This is my life, okay? I went from the beach club. I woke up. I went to the beach club at Sunday. We have a good time, and I'm showing you how a foreign international model enjoys her time in Bombay.